1, 2, 3. Step down, 2, skip over, 2, 3, step up, 2, skip, repeat it, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then over, 8, 2, 1, 2, step down, 2, skip over, step up, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, rest. Both treble clap, 2, 3, C chord left hand, 1, 2, 3, step down to G chord, 2, skip, 2, step down to F chord, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, E chord now, that's 1, 2, 3, go up to another C, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, skip down, 2, 3, F chord, and now step down to E chord, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Greensleeves, very famous song, normally played during winter time. Okay, sometimes in Christmas or after Christmas, usually from November, December, January. Now, if you see it, the left, this one, for this season, we have a lot of leisure line song. So left hand, we see from A to E, exactly the same of Hell of the Mountain, A, E, the same way. But if the Hell of the Mountain has a lot of staccato, this one has a lot of like smooth one. That's A-E, right? Do you see left hand pattern? A-E. And the next one is A-F. And A-E again. So if you see it, left hand, just moving down by step down and step down. G, so A, G, F, E. Do you see it just a stepping down? So the left hand, actually, if you see the pattern of it, it's just like moving one by one. Top, second measure, up, and first one, slide it down. And then measure 5, 6, 7, step down. 9, down. Again. That's what it is. Now, if you see it, it's just pattern, dun, 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 repeating. A, G, F, E, one more time. A, G, F, E, A, G, F, E, it's just repeating. Got it? And then, based on A, G, F, E, you add the right hand melody. Goes. here. So today we are going to do up to here. Only one thing, Wonjun, not only Wonjun, everybody pay attention to this one. The left hand at the very opening, this is eighth note. And this is quarter note. So this is twice faster. 두 배로 빨라야 돼, 이거는. 딴딴, 원, 딴. 딴딴, 타, 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 타. 이거는 더 길지, 그치? 그러니까 요것만, 리듬만 조심하면 됩니다. Now, Greensleeves, the second page we're going to work on. Second page, we have done the first page very well. Now, the second page is pretty similar to the first page pattern, but it played in major key. Bum. The first page was played in a minor. Now, we changed to C major, which is just like C major, C chord. Now, bass clap is gone for here, and then is the treble clap, and the bass clap is coming back, bass, and then treble is coming back again. The clap is keep changing. However, the chord is the same. Now, this is a C chord. Where's another C chord? C chord. And then, now if you see, what is the chord? G chord. So G, and G again. So it means the first line and the third line is exactly the same. They're the same. And only this part is different. And let's figure it out what kind of chord it is for the second line of the second page. Look at this. F chord. This is the F chord. And now E chord. So C, G, F, E. Actually, from after the C, G, F, E. It's just stepping down this section. So if I play it on the piano, can you see it will be just like this? G, C. First, the second page, the first chord is a C, and then coming down to G, F, E. Just a step down. What it is? And coming to G. Then after that, F, E, F, E. This is the same thing too here. The second line and third line. See, so this is a G, F, E, here, G, F, E, exactly the same chord. The difference is this one is broken, play it one note at a time. This one is blocking it, just leaving out the middle note. 중간 노트 없이, bam, bam, it's just like leaving out the middle note and moving, and come back again. And this is same as beginning. The very first opening part. Where? Here, this one. At the beginning. Da, 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 da. So we have this ba, 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 bum at the beginning. And then the very last part, we have the same thing again here. Ba, 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 bum. Again, one more time. So we start with opening wave and then closing with opening wave sound. And then now the chord is just simply pretty the same. Only the confusing part is the right hand here. If you go here, bum, ba, bum, 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 ba, bum. Finger is crossing a lot. So sometimes students look at the 1 and 2, they go, they go up. No, this is actually going down. So finger number 2 doesn't mean that you have to go up right next to note. Sometimes you can go down, even cross it. So remember that. All right. So that's it. So whole song, you need to practice whole entire song for this week. All right.